Hello, students. Here is how you make flashcards of the alphabet. This is a flashcard, or you can use paper, flashcard or paper. You will write A in uppercase, big letter, or A small case. A uppercase, beginning of a sentence. Your name, like Angelina, begins with the letter A. Little a for other things. To pronounce, A, apple. I write a word so I can remember. A, apple. If you do not have flashcards, you can put it on a piece of paper. And I just cut. Let's see. I'm gonna cut this now. So now I have many letters. D, H, L. I can practice. They're not in order. I practice. For D, I'm going to write dog. Though my dog looks like a cat. But this is dog. D for dog. So I can remember. On Thursday, bring your flashcards to class. We will practice in class. Thank you. Goodbye.